Hey besties, welcome back to the channel. How have you guys been? So for those of you who haven't seen the previous video, I will attach the link up here. I'm just giving a recap of the work that was done. So I decided to put the room in order for my kids, and as you can see here, I did the whole job myself. I was assisted by my husband. So I did painting of the room, and then when we were done, we had this. Next, it was time to place a touch of pink just to make it look, a little girly. So I'm just showing you guys some of the tools I used. I used this rod, as you can see, and a pencil just to take measurements to be able to get straight enough looking, because it was not as perfect as it could have been, but it was good enough. So I just used the rod to make measurements and get very straight lines.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Got a buildup of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today.
So in order to get this pink paint, this is just original white paint, that was placed on the wall, and I just mixed it with a little bit of a tint. It's called a tint or something. So I just got the tint color in the market. I will attach a picture here, and that tint you just keep mixing as much as you want to get the exact shade that you want. So I originally, like this work, I never really planned. I just started out. I didn't have like a plan or something, so I was making everything up as I went along. I never really sat down and envisioned what I wanted the room to look like. I just knew I wanted pink, but I wasn't sure if I should paint a whole wall pink. I did a lot of research, online. I couldn't really see a perfect shade of pink. I don't know if I'm making sense. I didn't see what I want. That's just what I'm trying to say. Like painting the wall one color. So I just decided to mix and match it here. And what I'm trying to say is that I didn't even have a particular shade in mind. It was when I had started, I discovered that the first layer I had put was too light. That's the second line you can see at the bottom. I discovered that it was too light. I actually wanted a darker pink, but I was trying to manage the tint because I wasn't sure how much I should mix at a time to get whatever shade. I don't know if that makes any sense. So guys, it's just remaining here. Then I want to put the lightest layer of pink down there, so I'll be done. So guys, this is where we are now. I just finished doing the 3-color applications. I didn't do it so perfect, but I tried. I'm not a professional. So what is left now, sorry, I'm holding my toothbrush, I was about brushing. What is left is to clean that edge. I need to use the brush, but I'm rushing for an appointment now, so when I come back I'll clean all the edges. Then I have not done that back. It's so hard for me to reach. I really don't know how I can climb to do that part, so that's what is left, the edges. Then finally I have to scrub paint off the floor, but before that I will have to clean this. So you guys should stay tuned to see what the finished product looks like. So guys, we were able to finish yesterday. You can see those tops are looking neat enough. Don't mind me, I'm not a professional, so just pardon however it's looking. So today's agenda is clearing out everything here, excuse me, and then cleaning the floor, after which I'll hang the curtains.
At 29 and I find myself wondering what did happen to the last 10. I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again.
I'm trying to clean up. We've been using iron sponge and that floor scraper. I don't know if you can see, to scrape away the paints, because our professional painter has done her worst job. It's a lot of work, but what are you doing? Remaining here, we just soak it with water and then scrub it out on that side. And I'm trying to set up some of their things, so keep you guys posted.
Sometimes like all you want to do is run. Hear me out, hear me out. It's all the things you never show. There are the things I want to know.
Destiny, Ma, I mean, just look at this thing from there. Does it look straight?
Yes.
That's the pole.
Yes, ma.
Thank you.